Hey guys, I'm Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. If you've been looking for an affordable off-water home here at Lake of the Ozarks, then you need to check out this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in Four Seasons. It's just under a mile to some of the best four-season amenities you can find, including a community pool, tennis court, basketball court, dog park, and day docks. Come on in, let's go take a look. You'll absolutely love the nice level flat backyard as well as all the parking that this home has out front. For more information or to schedule a showing, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005. Thanks and have a great day.